Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Toyota Supra back view easy guide. Start by sketching a light rectangular outline to set the rear width and height, then mark the center line and wheelbase to place wheels and bumper accurately. Block in the major shapes like rear window, trunk, and fenders, keeping strokes light so you can erase and refine as you go with confidence. Warm up your hand and focus on the main rear elements, such as the rear window, trunk lid, and fenders, using smooth flowing lines to capture the silhouette. Place taillight housings symmetrically and block in internal light shapes, then delineate the bumper and diffuser area. Add exhaust outlets and subtle panel gaps, maintaining proportion and rhythm so the rear reads as cohesive and purposeful rather than overly busy. If you're enjoying this drawing guide, please subscribe and like the video to help the channel grow and get more tutorials your way. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote: The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can truly change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with investing time into creative hobbies. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Now refine the lines and clean up construction marks, sharpening panel gaps and smoothing fender curves to make the rear look intentional. Apply shading to suggest curvature, using softer gradients across the trunk and sharper highlights on reflective surfaces to mimic paint. Add small details like badges, seams, and the license plate recess. Then step back to adjust contrasts and ensure the rear view looks balanced and convincingly three-dimensional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.